Good day, everyone. It's time for J7409 weather. We're checking out severe weather in this video only today, and boy, oh boy, did it fire up yesterday. Tornado after tornado, severe storm, heavy hail, and flooding. All of that happened yesterday and during the overnight. Now, it's stalled, though. It's stalled. Why has it stalled? We got a high pressure up here. We have another high pressure that is up here, and we have one coming in here. And of course, this high pressure here is pushing this way. This one is pushing this way, and the one up above is pushing down. And it's kind of stalled out in this area, but it will be moving today. This is the European model. I'll turn it on. You see the timestamp down at the bottom. I'll let it run through a few days. If it's your first time over here and you're into the weather and you really want to know what's going on, people, please subscribe if you'd like to do so. We'd love to have you over here with all of us at J7409 Weather. If you have any video or any pictures of any of this severe weather, please click Show More. Below this video, scroll down, and you'll find an email address to send it to. I'd love to share it with everyone. Now, if you look at the timestamp down at the bottom, you can see this stuff is moving right on through, looking like for the next few days. I'll let it go through Friday. We'll see what it's looking like then. Then I'll tell you a little bit more and show you exactly what to expect today only, and what you guys should do and what is causing it. This weather is going to continue for a while. Now, this map is showing where severe tornadoes could break out today. Anywhere, my friends, in this 10% and this 5%, and really, it says it's 2%, but don't let that catch you off guard. Yesterday, they fired up to start with in the 2% area with severe storms, and they grew. They had downdraft winds. They had hail. It was just bad, folks, okay? So don't get caught off guard. This is strictly for tornadoes where they should happen today as this stuff starts to march on across. So you see the areas, 10% here in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas. We got 5% Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, and a great portion of Oklahoma up into Kansas, and also for Missouri. This is for tornadoes today. As the day goes by lunchtime, when everything heats up, these numbers may change. And the chances for very high winds today. It's a little bit further out, as you see, going up into Illinois and Iowa this morning, through Kansas, Oklahoma, down to Texas, all the way across into Mississippi. And this is at 15% with the greatest in Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. Also, it's still in northeastern New Mexico. You have a 5% chance as it moves through Kansas, Iowa, southern Wisconsin even, and parts of Indiana, Illinois, western Virginia, western Tennessee, a big portion of Mississippi, as it comes on back down. Be aware, this is for wind. This is for hail. Yesterday we had everything from penny-size hail, had a lot of ping-pong ball-size hail, and when you say ping-pong ball-size hail, that's 1.5 inches. Okay, 1.5 inches hail. We also had some baseball-size hail in Texas yesterday. You know how big that is, and that, if you're measuring the hail as a weather person, that's around 4 inches. 4-inch hail. So there's where it's looking like today. You see the greatest concentrated places. Don't let your guard down anywhere if it's in the brown, yellow, or red. Now, this is the overall map that severe weather could break out today. This is the very most severe. Anywhere from Florida all the way up to Michigan, Wisconsin, southern Minnesota. You see it. You know where you live. You know if you live in these areas or not. keep your eyes on the sky anywhere, all the way from California, Nevada, Idaho, Utah. Look at all of this. Colorado, New Mexico. Now, New Mexico in the northeastern part, you have a pretty good chance you may have some severe weather. Folks, please watch your skies. This has been a potent front, and it's been lingering in the central plains and middle Mississippi Valley over the past couple of days. And I've showed you how it kind of slowed up and stalled and why just a while ago. However, it should begin to move today, and it's going to track to the northeast, okay? Now, it's looking like that the significant moisture plume from the Gulf of Mexico is going to flow into the frontal system, and that's what's causing widespread heavy rain and severe thunderstorms, causing a lot of flooding. I can't stress that enough. This widespread rain and thunderstorms is causing so much flooding, and people, you need to pay attention to that. If you come across a place, there's water on the road, don't try to drive through it, much less walk through it. Be safe. Now, today there is this risk of more excessive rain, and it goes from moderate to enhanced to severe. And severe weather is looking like, for the most part, it's Arkansas, Louisiana, and the Texas region. Now, tornadoes, wind, hail, and flash flooding are all possible. Also, flash flooding is extended into the Central Plains and parts of the Middle Mississippi Valley today as well. Now, by the time tomorrow rolls around, it's looking like still we have a pretty good risk of flash flooding, and it should be located along the western Gulf Coast. It's because a cold front shifts southeast, and then after it shifts, we have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms in place for the lower Mississippi Valley. Now, showers and thunderstorms are going to extend into the Tennessee and Ohio valleys and the southeast tomorrow ahead of this front, reaching the eastern seaboard by Friday. So it's going to take a while, but this map will change as this marches across, and the severe weather is going to be in different places. I'm just telling you. Yesterday there was a tornado. I think it was Palm Beach, Florida. It was in the green. That's why, and that's happened more than once. That's why I'm trying to tell you people, if you live anywhere in the green sections, you could have a chance of severe weather. And with daytime temperatures warming up, you could have a tornado, especially if your humidity and the dew levels and all the other kind of levels put together that make up this conditions just right. It could cause one. So please be careful. Please watch your skies. If you see any changing conditions, make sure you got a safe place to go to. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. I love each and every one of you. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thank you for watching. And please make sure, if you have any family or friends that could be in any of this severe weather, especially in this area for today and tonight, make sure you let them know. Share this video. Let them know what's going on. Family, friends, whatever. And if you would, share this on your social media to help me to keep people safe. Thank you for watching.